And she said she did have a husband and she lost him before she even have kids. Me I wonder if that's why she want the young females them and she shouldn't have no pitney. You think of that?
You can't have a weak heart here. Your heart have a strong. Emotions not in this. Me not think say as such she stay. Me think she sadistic. Cause you can't want have picnic. I want treat young females so. Take them and sell them into human trafficking. You're mad. That's not a motherly instinct.
You sure that she do? I got the place and I see some girls, but she look like a nice lady to me. She seems nice.
Tonian, you're young. You learn as you go along the way. But let me tell you something. Looks can be very deceiving. Don't take my soul by face, girl. We don't have no solid evidence, but everything points to this woman as a main human trafficker in Jamaica. What me want you do is stick to the task and don't get sidetracked by her niceness.
Alright, Bubbles, she did say she want me close to her. You think that's a good idea?
I don't know, you know, Tony, and I don't even think that is a good idea to even get close to her. Well, I don't even know how much longer I'm gonna have you upon the case here, or have you around a woman here.
So you're gonna take me off from my first case? Is what I'm not do good?
You're doing an excellent job, Tony. Excellent. But me have to be careful how far I push you in that case here. Remember the last thing I tell you when I sit you and Whispers right here, son. Your life in my hands. Talking about Whisper. You hear from him from morning?
No.
Oh, look, no, I Karim.
Hello, Karim. Yeah, my soul coming. I'll get ready. Alright. Bubbles, I gotta get ready for work.
One whole day I'm gonna hear from Whisper.
Would you be my little shawty, shawty? Would you be my shawty, my shawty? Would you be my...
But not bad enough.
It's alright. I'm gonna catch you one day. One. You have work.
Alright. Have a good day, shopkeeper.
Hey, Agent Colin. What's good? Yeah, man. I just touching base. You know, trying to find out what's going on.
I figured you heard the news about a retired policeman being killed in New York. Was shot several times and dumped in the river. We even had evidence that he killed one of our witnesses the very same way about 5 months ago. Seems he pissed someone off, and they gave him the same treatment.
Yeah, I heard about it. Don't have all the details, but I heard.
We have prepared an indictment on 17 counts ranging from human trafficking and narcotics to kidnapping and false imprisonment. Now with the murder of this man, we are literally back to square one. 2.5 years of investigation, undercover work, and $1 million in resources all gone down the
They
drain.
have this new information or added information on top of what I have here in JA. I mean, it's enough to keep the case going. Just give me some more time.
The witnesses have already started to disappear, and the guys we had detained can now only be charged for 2 small offenses. Defense attorneys have been calling me for days demanding the release of their clients. I can only hold them for another 21 days, and after that, that's it. Anything you have to bring to this case or keep it alive, get it done. Otherwise, we're screwed.